Today, I had the opportunity to return to my hometown and visit a close sister's house. From afar, I could hear the sound of boiling water in the pot, the fragrant aroma of duck meat wafting through the air. I didn't have to wait long. Just a few minutes later, my sister brought a large ladle, gently scooping the duck that had just been cooked into the steaming pot of boiling water. The duck was plump, with light yellow skin, fragrant. Just looking at it was appealing. She placed the duck on an old wooden cutting board, the cutting board that had been with the family for many seasons, imbued with many culinary memories. On the cutting board, a sharp knife was ready, just waiting for the skillful hand of the host. I watched attentively. Each decisive chop resounded with the sound of crack, 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 very pleasing to the ears. With each slice of the knife, the duck gradually separated into even parts. Duck breast, wings, thighs, all appeared with soft, smooth meat still steaming. The characteristic flavor spread throughout the kitchen. That moment was longer than I imagined because I not only looked, but also immersed myself in every detail. The knife was strong, but not clumsy. The meat was just right, not too big nor too small. Placed separately on a corner of the cutting board, each piece of duck was like a slice of care and hospitality. After cutting, the younger sister skillfully arranged the duck meat on a large round plate. A bowl of ginger fish sauce was prepared, placed next to the duck meat plate, giving off a characteristic spicy aroma. But today's meal was not just boiled duck. When the tray of food was brought out, I was really surprised. All were familiar, rustic dishes, but strangely to my liking. There was a small bowl of bamboo shoot soup. The water was clear, but rich in the sweetness of the bones and the natural astringency of the bamboo shoots. Next to it was a plate of boiled sweet greens, lush green. Just looking at it made my eyes feel refreshed. A plate of boiled bamboo shoots. Then came the sweet and sour ribs dish. The ribs were covered with a layer of shimmering sauce, both attractive red-brown in color and giving off a strong aroma. Not only that, I also saw on the tray a grilled leaf-wrapped meat dish, a northwestern specialty that is rarely enjoyed. The grilled meat was fragrant, rich in flavor, mixed with the characteristic pungent smell of forest leaves, making the meal richer and more unique. But it must be said that the main character today was none other than that plate of hot boiled duck. The duck meat was soft, the skin was smooth, not mushy, dipped in a bowl of spicy, sweet gingerfish sauce. It was truly standard. While eating and exclaiming, chatting animatedly over the simple meal, I felt my heart relaxed, light as if returning to my childhood. With each piece of duck put into my mouth, I felt a wonderful balance. The skin was slightly crispy. The meat was soft, but not greasy. The flavor was natural, not overwhelmed by elaborate spices. True home cooking style. Not fancy, not luxurious, but rich and incredibly familiar.